Hey everyone! Today I decided to try this new café after a morning walk in my town. It was a good chance to work a bit in my project about the macOS app that I started a while ago. While working in between some Git commands, I realized something. How important is Git and version control in general for the development process of every application, even for a small app. But also how important it is to a new developer to know the basic stuff. Back in the days when I joined my first company as a developer, I didn't know a lot about it. My team tried to explain the whole Git concept with all those different terms that seemed a bit much at first in theory. I think every new developer should know the basic concept behind Git and how branches work in general. Also, a few commands that will help for the creation of the first PR ever is a must. So let's go through of a small bundle of Git commands that will help achieve that. First of all, a very useful command to identify the ground that you are on is the git status. This command can display the state of the working directory and the staging area. It lets you see which changes have been staged, which haven't, and which files aren't being tracked by Git. The next command is git add. We can write it as git add with a dot to stage all of our files at once. If we don't want to stage everything, we can specify the path to a single file instead of using the dot. After staging our changes, the next move is to use the git commit command. Here, we should add a clear and descriptive message about what we did. For instance, git commit -m, fix login button, alignment issue. It's always good practice to document our steps properly. It helps not only us, but also other developers understand our work and track changes more easily. There is one more important step left, pushing our changes to a remote branch. We can do this with git push. This command sends our committed changes to the remote repository, often to a specific branch we're working on. If it's the first time we're pushing that branch, Git will also link it to the remote one in the process. There are of course many other helpful Git commands we use daily to make our workflow smoother. For example, git fetch to get the latest updates from the remote repository, or git rebase to apply our changes on top of another branch in a clean way. This is an incredibly powerful tool, and if you learn to use it properly, you can make a huge difference in your development journey. So that's a quick overview of some essential Git commands every developer should know. I'm curious, when was your first encounter with Git? Share your story with me. I would love to hear how your journey with version control began. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button. See you on the next one.